guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, by the time you guys see this, we will have already gone to the Wonka premiere in Los Angeles. But to celebrate, Warner Brothers sent me two super cool gifts. Greetings and salutations. Welcome to the wonderful world of Wonka. Where to start? Chow kind of you to ask. Chow kind of you to ask. A magical surprise awaits you behind each golden door. Let your Delicious journey begin. Okay, you know what would have been super cute if they sent me gold tickets as invites to go to the premiere. But this is already amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox each of these 8 surprises and see what I got. Wow, so cool. Okay, this is insane. Now, we gotta open this first one. This was in the big opening. Now, obviously we need to go chronologically in order. So let's do number 1. Number 1. What's in number 1? This is number 1. Scratch that, reverse it. These are so cute. We'll put these on the hoodie. Lucky number 2. Oh my God. I have my very own Wonka chocolate bar. Let's try it. Okay, this was really freaking good. And you know, I am really picky with chocolate. Being from England, I feel like we have the best chocolate. But this Wonka bar truly tasted like it was made at Wonka factories. Number 3. Ooh. We got a beanie. Of course, it wouldn't be complete without socks. At this point, they're like giving me a whole outfit. So if I really wanted to go kit it out in Wonka gear for the premiere, I could. But I do have a dress that I've been waiting to wear for a very long time. Okay, this is gonna come in handy. Number 5. This is so cute. What do you guys think? Number 6. Okay, this is classic milk chocolate bomb. I'm not gonna eat it, but I'm pretty sure if it's as good as the other one, I'm gonna be gaining some weight. Oh, we have 2 more left. How exciting. Number 7. Oh, wow. My very own Wonka oven mitt. This is going on the movie wall because it's not going to last in my kitchen. Are we ready for a number 8? The final one. What could it be? They've given me a beanie, a hoodie, chocolate, socks, oven mitt, apron. What's number 8? Okay, tea time just got way better. I mean, I'm Persian and I'm British, so I love me a cup of tea, and this is in my element because I love gold and sparkly things. So thank you, Warner Brothers. I just wanted to show you guys the makeup kit. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly another look at this amazing nail kit I received from Wonka. So we have all of these super cool Wonka themed colors. Now I do usually put gel on my nails, but I'm excited to try these. And then of course there's the themed stickers, and I'm obsessed with the case. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at everything I received in this awesome box from Warner Brothers. Here it is. I'll let you guys know after the premiere what I thought of the movie, and make sure you catch it in theaters December 15th.